If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS0016, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get your game launching again. This error is usually related to a corrupted install, permission issues, or a network problem, so we're going to go through the most effective fixes in order. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, launch the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Once it opens, click on your Library tab in the left-hand menu. This is where all of your installed games are listed, and we need to find the game that is causing the LS0016 error. Now locate the game that is giving you the problem. When you find it, click the three dots next to the game, or right-click the game tile if that's easier. From the menu, select Manage, and then click the Verify button. This tells Epic Games to scan the game files and check for anything missing or corrupted. Let the verification process complete all the way to 100%. This may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drive. If Epic finds any broken or missing files, it will automatically repair them and patch the installation. This is one of the most important steps because LS0016 is often caused by damaged game assets. Once the verify process is finished, close the Epic Games Launcher completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully closed from the Windows system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If the launcher is still running in the background, the next steps may not apply properly. Next, right-click your Epic Games Launcher desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to open and manage your games correctly. After that, click Apply. Then hit OK to save the change. Now reopen the Epic Games Launcher and try launching your game again. If the error is still happening, we're going to move on to a network reset, which can clear out hidden connection problems that sometimes trigger LS0016. Open the Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This is very important because these commands need elevated access to work properly. Now copy and paste the first command and press Enter ipconfig flush DNS. This clears your DNS cache and can help fix bad or outdated network records. Then enter the second command, DNS Winsock reset. This resets your Windows network catalog and can resolve deeper connection issues that may be affecting Epic Games. Once both commands have been run, restart your computer. A reboot is necessary for the changes to fully take effect. After your PC turns back on, launch Epic Games again and test the game one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will fix Epic Games error code LS0016 and get your game working again. If the issue is gone, great, you're all set. If you still run into trouble, you may need to check for antivirus blocking, reinstall the game, or repair your Epic Games Launcher installation. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy fixes for gaming errors, PC issues, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.